What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we got to talk about some baby Doge stuff right now. We're just going to go over some technicals and some updates here. So, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch inside the industry. But, anyways, let's go over baby Dogecoin. So let's talk about this. First things first, we're going to go over the technical analysis here because we just now went all the way down here to the support at about 8Z2459. So really around 8Z245. So that's really what we're looking at right now. And now we're moving all the way back up here. It looks like we're going back up to the resistance here, all the way at this red shaded area at 8Z2750. So it looks like we're trying to go back up here at least to this resistance. And yeah, hopefully we can get back up there. But as of right now, you can see on the oscillator, we're starting to get a little bit more buying pressure. And you can see here on the selling pressure, it's starting to curve upwards. So that means buying pressure coming in. And as you can see, that results in something like this. So where we're going upwards. So hopefully we can actually get back up here to this resistance and break past that, because then that would lead us to our next bullish area. But it is a little bit hard to get past it like that without having something big. We had the burn coming up. The burn already happened. So now we got to wait for the next big thing to really bring us up there, like the exchange listing that we should be getting in 2 days. So that will probably also help us get back to where we were before. And hopefully it can help us get past 8Z30, because that's the resistance for the Fibonacci retracement that we have to get past. So yeah, we need to get past that area pretty much to become bullish next. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going for here with the baby Doge. So hopefully we can actually pass it, and hopefully we can actually do that. But until then, we'll have to keep going on this path. But going over here to the 4 hour chart, looking at this, you can see we had this whole consolidation phase here and we broke out of it. So if we are to become bearish, then obviously it's back to that consolidation phase here, if we could become bearish. But obviously, I think that it's probably going to become bullish because, we're getting a major exchange listing. It's literally a top 5, top 6 exchange, and we're getting that inside a couple days now. So, or a few days. It's supposed to be on the 5th, I think. But yeah, this is going to be pretty big for us. So I'm definitely still waiting for this, and it's going to be probably what brings us a past 8Z30. So I'll let you all know about what happens there. But for now, the red areas here show less demand, so it's going to be a little bit harder for us to rise here in the ranks. But like I said, with that exchange listing, it'll probably help us get past it like that. But moving on to Bitcoin here, we can see Bitcoin is now trying to get past this area here. So we almost went down to the support down to that 27.7K, right? But now it's going back up, trying to get back up to that resistance line up there. And also you can see over here with this bullish movement here on the oscillator, we had a bullish signal. So that's why we're getting a little bit of a buying pressure, but it looks like very, very small buying pressure here inside of Bitcoin. So I don't know what's going on inside of Bitcoin. We've been here for a while and we've been stuck at the same resistance line for the longest time. Like if you look at this trend line right here, we followed this trend line to a T all the way upwards, right? And then it bounced back down and then hit the trend line. So for the next area for it, it looks like there is a possibility that we bounce back down to the trend line. If we stay here, like if Bitcoin cannot, break past this area, if Bitcoin just stays, below this resistance line, and then it's probably going to go back down to that trend line and try to build that momentum back up. But the thing that I'm looking at here, we've been on the upper side of this area here. We've been on the upper side of this resistance area instead of rather being down here close to 26K. We've been around 28K, 29K. Like it really hasn't went down too low below that. Like, yeah, we went down to 26.8, 8K, but like literally it stayed there for a very short period of time and then almost immediately bounced back up. So what I'm seeing here with Bitcoin, it looks like we're probably gonna, have enough momentum to break past that resistance. Hopefully we can, but we'll have to see. Now we got a lot of stuff coming up pretty soon. So there's going to be some manufacturing info showing how the manufacturing PMI is going to be inside the US. We're going to have some job opening talks. So they're going to talk about that on the 4th. On the 5th, they're going to talk about, trades and what's going on with that type of stuff. And they're also going to talk about some unemployment rates on the 7th. So this is going to be a pretty big week here for Bitcoin and really for the financial markets in general. So all the way from Monday through Friday, we're going to see some pretty interesting stuff going on here with the financial markets. So I think if we have good stuff like good job openings that they're talking about, good unemployment rate, the unemployment rate goes down and stuff like that, and then we can actually probably see it blow past this resistance, right? But it just depends on all this news that's about to come up soon. So this next week is going to be very, very important for Bitcoin, and it's probably what's going to be able to get us above 28K. So and possibly over to 30K as well. So that's what we're really looking for right now with Bitcoin. So I'll keep you all updated with that. But yeah, this next week is going to be big for Bitcoin. But moving on to Baby Doge, let's talk more about Baby Doge. So right now we are down 2% in the last 24 hours. So yeah, we are down. Our volume is down a little bit as well, down to 6 million. We had $28 million volume when everything was going crazy. They were hyping up for that exchange listing, but we should be getting it inside a few days. So that exchange listing is definitely going to be pretty good. It's probably going to actually help us become bullish. I want to see us get past this area back here that we were like around February 12th and all that good stuff, because around that time, like we were really getting inside baby deals, like $46 million in trading volume. Like that was crazy. 46 million in trading volume. And then on top of that, we almost got to 8Z50 again. We were around 8Z43. So we got pretty close to our previous all-time high, but we didn't exactly get there. But we did get pretty close. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, we're getting more holders here now inside of Baby Doge. We now have 1,716,186 holders. So yeah, we're getting more and more holders. And in the last 2 weeks, Baby Doge has gotten like 5,000 holders. So that's pretty big that we got that many holders in like the last 2 weeks. So shout out to all the new holders here inside of Baby Doge. That's definitely pretty cool to see. But moving on from over there, let's look over here at our new Bybit listing that's going to be coming very soon. They said the deposits are open for Bybit. So yeah, the deposits are open, and now we're 2 days away from getting listed. So this is going to be pretty big for us. And since they said 2 days getting listed, we should be getting listed on the 4th. So I thought it was the 5th at first, but now we should be getting listed on the 4th. So yeah, that's going to be really, really big for us. So waiting for that, we got some free promo here as well from this place, cryptosaurus.tech. So yeah, that's some free promo. They made a whole article about us. So all is well there. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for this exchange listing. So not much going on right now, but we are still waiting for that listing. $50.26 million in liquidity for Baby Doge Swap, $410,000 in the last 24 hours for our volume. You can see here in the last 24 hours for Baby Doge burn 573 trillion. That's because we had the major burn yesterday. That comes out to 1.5 million. And now we have 204.863 quadrillion total burn in Baby Doge for the lifetime. So lots of burns going on. And one quadrillion has been purchased through the burn portal. So yeah, that's huge. And 51.6 trillion here burned through the burn portal. So yeah, we're doing very, very, very good there with Baby Doge. Now, looking over here at the farms, the farms are still doing good. The APR is actually going up for the farms. Even though the liquidity isn't necessarily going up, the APR is going up here for the farms. There's a lot more transactions going on in Baby Doge, which is part of the reason why it's doing that. A lot more money flowing through Baby Doge. So hopefully we can get some more liquidity here as well for that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got for that. But over here we're at rank 111 for DeFi Llama. 4.55% in the last 7 days is what we're up by in DeFi Llama. And you can see here Shiba Swap's coming up inside the ranks, 5.24% for Shiba Swap, but we're still above Shiba Swap. We got to stay above it. We got to keep rising from here. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. So definitely let me know what you all want me to go over next. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section, all that good stuff. Check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto millionaires merch inside of the industry. And as always, I'll be back with another video.